Hello and welcome to another MoreBikes unboxing video, and I'm Mark. This is the Axxis Storm SV flip-up or modular motorcycle helmet that I'll be using this season. Now it's my first time with a flip-up lid, so you're going to get to see some bits and bobs happening over the next few weeks, next few months. Quite a few miles will be done with this lid, and so let's get it out of the box. Although I have to confess, I've already been wearing it, so I've given it a bit of a clean, but we're going to whip it out of the box as if it was an unboxing video, so don't tell anybody. There we go, nice soft helmet bag, fluorescent Axxis logo on the top. Not going to lose that anywhere in the house, so let's whip it out of the bag and have a look. So this is what the Axxis Storm SV looks like outside of the box, and a fine looking lid it is too. So there's your front view, and what we'll do is we'll pop the visor like so. Here we go, and straight away we can see we've got a nose deflector here. Keep your breath off the screen, and we've got some inlets on the front and inlets on the top that are closable. I'm going to turn this round, and you've got an exhaust at the back here, so you get a nice air flow from the helmet. And you can see from the little splodge here, she's pin lock ready, and we've got an integral sun visor too, which is, I'll pop this up so you can see it again. There we go. So it operates from a little bit on the side here, which is easy to flick up and down when you're riding, like that. And it's already prepared inside with little indentations for a comms system, which I shall be fitting very shortly. There's an anti-allergenic fabric interior, which is removable and washable. And what I'll do now is let's get it on my little helmet donut, and I'll show you how the flip works. Okay, so here's the helmet, finely balanced on the helmet donut here. If you haven't got one of these, grab one, because they're fantastic. As you can see, perfect for cleaning the helmet, keeps it nice and balanced. And what I'm going to do now is just demonstrate the flip up. It's done by a very, very easy little latch underneath here, which you can quite easily do while riding. Just literally flick under there, and that goes back and looks open. And a question we get a lot is, are you allowed to ride in these helmets in this open position? Well, the answer is, some you are, some you aren't. What you're ultimately looking for is inside is the label, which in this instance is here. Now you can see on here, I don't know whether you can make that out, but on the label on the strap, if it's got a J in there, which this has, it's also classed as a jet helmet, which means you can ride with this, with it up. Now normally, obviously we'd recommend that you ride with this down all the time for protection from flies and from obviously the road and that sort of stuff. But they're very, very handy if you're pulling into a parking space or sitting at traffic lights, or even when you come to a stop on the bike, you take your gloves off, etc. Or even at a petrol station where you don't want to necessarily have to take your helmet off, and where do you put it at a petrol station? You rest it on the tank, which is dodgy, hang it over a mirror, place it on the floor. But when you've got one of these helmets, you don't have to. Now, having worn this already, I don't know whether I'd go back to a normal helmet again. But it's all down to personal preference. But so far, I'm really, really enjoying this. So this is the Axxis Storm SV, and this little chap you can get in different colours, and this one retails at around about £130, which is good. Now I'll tell you a little bit about Axxis as a company. So with the backdrop of the Axxis Storm SV, Axxis are a Spanish company and they offer a 5-year warranty, on their collection. They're designed in Europe, they are made in China, but what isn't these days. Very strict quality control conditions, and they are certified to regulations ECE 22.05. The Storm SV weighs 1,650 grams, which is roughly the same as Arai's range-topping RX-7V. So it's not a light helmet, but certainly it doesn't feel heavy when you're riding. As I mentioned earlier, it's pin lock ready. It has the quick release ratchet buckle in here for getting the helmet on and off, and it's of polycarbonate construction. So that's the unboxing complete. We'll let you know how we're getting on with this, because I am going to be riding it for the rest of the season, and if not beyond.